In this video, you'll learn how to follow and unfollow a company on Indeed so you can stay on top of new job opportunities and company updates with just a couple of clicks. Let's start with why this is useful. Following a company on Indeed is a simple way to keep all of their latest job postings and updates in one place without having to constantly search for them. If you're actively job hunting or even just keeping an eye on the market, this can save you a lot of time and help you react quickly when something interesting is posted. And if at any point you're no longer interested in that company, you can easily unfollow them just as fast. First, you'll need to open the company's page on Indeed. There are a few ways you might get there. One common way is by searching for the company directly using the search bar at the top of the Indeed homepage. Type in the company's name, then look for a result that says something like company page or clearly shows the company profile, not just an individual job listing. You can also reach the company page from a job posting itself. If you're viewing a job and you see the company name near the top, clicking that name will usually take you to their main company page on Indeed. Once you're on the company page, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right organization. Many companies have similar names, so check the logo, the location, or a brief description if it's available. This is important because when you follow a company, you want to make sure you're getting updates from the correct one. Now that you're on the right page, look for the follow button. This is typically located near the top of the company page, close to the company name or logo. When you see it, simply click follow. After you click, Indeed will start sending you updates and job alerts related to that company. Depending on your notification settings, these alerts may appear in your email, in your Indeed account, or both. Following a company can also help Indeed recommend jobs that are more closely aligned with your interests. It's a good idea to follow companies you genuinely care about, such as your dream employers or organizations in your preferred industry. That way, your alerts stay relevant and don't become overwhelming. Remember, you can follow multiple companies at once, so you're not limited to just one or two. If at any point you decide you're no longer interested in a particular company's updates, unfollowing is just as easy. Go back to that company's page on Indeed. You'll notice that the follow button has changed to say following. This is your indication that you're currently subscribed to their updates. To stop receiving those alerts, click the following button again. When you do, it should switch back to follow, confirming that you've unfollowed the company and will no longer receive new notifications from them. That's all there is to it. You open the company page, click follow to start receiving updates, and click following again to remove it. By using this feature thoughtfully, you can keep your job search organized, focused, and a little bit more efficient.